In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users' board access with Teams in Monday.com. This process will help you efficiently control who can view and edit various boards within your organization's workspace, enhancing team collaboration and maintaining data privacy where needed. First, you'll want to start by navigating over to Monday.com using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the Login button. If you already have an account, you'll be prompted to sign in, either using your Google account or by entering your email address. If you opt for the Google sign-in, you'll look for the particular email address you plan on using for this session. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to manage user access by creating teams. This creates a streamlined way to allocate permissions on various boards. Start by navigating to your profile picture or initials located at the top right corner of the platform. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Teams. Here's where you will manage the team settings, an essential piece of how boards interact with specific team members. To create a team, click the New Team button, which you'll find conveniently placed on the upper left side of the screen. You have the freedom to name this team according to its purpose, project, or department, whatever best suits its function or identity within your organization. Once your team is created, you can easily add members to it. Simply click on Add Users. This allows you to include people instantly by typing their email addresses manually, or if they appear in the drop-down suggestions, by simply clicking on their names. You have a fantastic option here to assign different roles to your team members, either as owners who have comprehensive access and control, or as regular team members with more limited capabilities. Should you require adjustments to the team composition, Monday.com makes it straightforward to remove members as necessary. This feature is particularly useful for dynamic teams where membership may evolve as projects progress or as responsibilities shift. Managing user access in this way helps ensure that only those who need to see or work on specific boards have the necessary permissions. By following these steps, you not only manage access efficiently, but also maintain smooth operations and secure data management within your organization. I hope this guide was easy to follow and assists you in setting up your user board access effectively with Teams in Monday.com. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.